million so I would end like the introduction. Then I'll just continue from more affiliates. I think most likely say only feel what is this all about again? And then more it's Mavrodi Mondial movement. Triple M ne? It's Mavrodi Mondial movement. I think more subsidies there. And then this one. This guys out there Triple M account one again. Triple M is a peer-to-peer system whereby members of the community we pay each other directly. Again, that's why we honor this one. This one we exchange the monies within ourselves as Stokvel members. Triple M, and then more keep brief. Yeah, Triple M. He started in 2011 and the founder in Nakiseshima Brody, again, and then he was born in 1955, August 11 in Moscow, Russia. And then Triple M website platform for members. The website at Triple M only login, but we've got a new login website, right? Baba, I'm surely when you open the system, we no longer want to use .net, but I'll give you the UI. And then this one, the web-based personal office, is very important. I only remember at Triple M, you need to have your laptop or any device for log in. Again, and then you log in to your whatever device to the Triple M again. And then you'll be able to go to your personal office. And then immediately after that, you will be connected globally to everybody, only member this community. And then the last one, then you'll be able to know to provide help and get help when you do your withdrawal. Again, through what? Through the system, website, Triple M. Again, how does it work? When you declare willingness to give help, by clicking the provide help in your web-based personal office, your account will be credited with Mavro. Mavro is the internal currency of the system, right? And then, and your Mavros will start growing from the moment of the deposit, which means your contribution immediately. When actually you register, your Mavros will start doing that, will start growing. Got that 30% how 1% each day, every day, to make it 30% after 30 days, right? And then accumulation on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Again, for example, when you start providing help for the first time, again, your 10,000 rands, it will buy your 10,000 Mavros. After 30 days, it will buy 13,000 Mavros. Again, Libonio. And then the benefits at Triple M. Benefit number one, 30% how the registration bonus outside now it will according to the donation house in Kayola. And then immediately when you invite people directly to you, you'll be getting the referral bonuses. How much? That 10% for everybody who inviting under you. Again? Yes. And then before, when you become a manager, watching the school manager for 10 days, after graduating, who were not possible to be a manager, then now you'll be assigned as a manager, then you'll get the benefits sub manager. And then Triple M, when you join Triple M, you either decide who you want to join using Bitcoin or you want to join using the rands. Again, it's all up to you. Registration bonus I'll send it 5,000 to 4,000. The registration bonus how in dollars is gonna be $20. And then from 5,000 to 29, it's over $50. From 30,000 upwards, it's over $100. Again? And the registration bonus how in a 30% in one. Plus the contribution how a donation in a 30% in one. That referral bonus how the was directed to you, 10% in a 30% in one. So now 30% guy. Can you measure? And then here manager. Manager how to referral bonuses. Listen, each and every cent your personal office in a link 30%. I want to tell you it's fair, okay? Yes. And then the Bitcoins, we use Bitcoin to exchange globally. Bitcoin, our access to the global community. Bitcoin is a consensus network that enables a new payment system and a completely digital money. It is the first decentralized peer-to-peer payment network that is powered by its users with no central authority or middleman. From a user perspective, Bitcoin is pretty much like cash. Like the Bitcoin on its own, like for instance, multiple M, if you've got like also the cash in rands, but those Bitcoins, which means in cash. I get. So if you have the Bitcoin, which means you've got cash, right? Yeah. So uska confused with cash man with the Bitcoin, which means will explain that also the Bitcoin with the Bitcoin, but the cash, the currency arena, like it's got design. Yes. Personal office here how it over so after we be a registered member at Triple M, we provide help, get help. And then this one, who donate for 1, 2, 3, 4. Unfortunately, this one, you have 5 by blockile. Reasons. Most of the reasons for why mostly they are blocked is because officer registered today in rents. Most of the time, we are going to be in a queue again. Like status house, but we are still in the queue. Even though your mouths are growing, but we are still in the queue because also part they also check the house more way. Like after paying that 10,000 to that particular person on filling system at Triple M, that person who receive for that money is going to confirm for yes, not receive the challenge against Mr. A. Again, then after when I only confirmed, then you can now start withdrawing your money. Again, so if you are blocked, you can't do that because you are blocked on the system, which means outside active. Because why only blocked? Baufile and hours. Mr. B chelete when you fail to do so. Right? So because you fail to comply with the rules at Triple M, then that's why you have become blocked. You understand? That's why, that's the reason. So you go deeper, all those things tomorrow training. Today will be just brushing. You'll know tomorrow who your account if it's blocked, all those stuff. And then participant. My page give information now how when you start doing the registration. Mafro, Mafro like what? Mafro King? Mafro King? Like what? Yes. So your Mafros, your challenge, if we are going to blue, which means imola go frozen clothing like 2 weeks. It will come down from 14 days up until go 1. Then that's when your Mafros will turn from this blue to green. And then the green EMSing, which means ready for withdrawal. Ready to withdraw. Yes. I turn up from this stage to this one green, which means you can start withdrawing your money, meaning after 14 days. Meaning after 14 days you can withdraw your money. Thank you. And then if it turns up from blue to red, which means it's unconfirmed. Also pay like it. So can you withdraw? Until upatel and then you confirm your email green, that's why like it. Yeah. Thank you. Account. Let's on deeper like it's arena. But just to account is when our register more look at your banking details. Give more fill in your banking details. The banking details only young more. Say when now when is your turn for you to get help? The person also deposit he or she is going to deposit to the account when or waiting more. And so you must make sure that account there is correct. Okay? And then this our website page. Outside is rsa.co, the new one. Instead of net, it's gonna be .co, right? Then go to the paging A. You do your registration. You get the form. You fill in the form, and then beware of the risk. Triple M is a community of peer-to-peer money exchange. Thus, Triple M only distributes money among its registered participants, connecting the donor and the recipient. Therefore, in order that the mutual aid process may be beneficial and not be stopped, the number of participants donating money should generally do what? Increase. The new members each and every day. Understand again? Yes. If PASA increasing, then the risks are very high. Understand? Because you need to understand it. The community, if it's a growing, obviously we are going nowhere. But if our community is growing, not self-rebuilder, then we are moving. Again, and the only people who can build this community or by it grow, only us, no one but only us. So we must make sure of that. It constantly works to improve the reliability of the mechanism of mutual assistance. However, it may happen that those who have donated money may not receive help back, donate spare money only. However, for many years of operation, we have proven the system's reliability, and Triple M have implemented other mechanisms to prevent this from happening, because help for humanity is our greatest goal. And then things that you need to know if now you are ready to be a member of this community. Number one, to start, you need to determine how much you want to donate. That's your spare money. Number two, you need to decide on the currency, whether Bitcoin or rands. Number three, make sure you've got the email address ready. Number four, your mobile. Make sure your mobile is correct and is ready, right? Because you cannot register if you don't have an email address, you don't have a mobile. You don't have invite email address. Invite email address is somebody who invited, the person who invited you to this community. So that person about invite code email address again, and then the website anyway kilibudisa.co, and then after successful registration you can now log into your personal office, and then lastly you are good to yes. So our presentation, thank you very much. It will